Hello my all dear students, a very warm welcome all of you. So dear students, today I am going to teach you our class 7th students exponent chapter. So in this class dear students, we talk on our exponents chapter. So what is exponents? Mean that if I take an example a to power x, so what is a here? A here means base, this is exponent. We also call this exponent for power, and we also write x in form index. So this is base, a is base here, and x is exponent, power and index. So dear students, one most important formula is here. If I write here a to power n, so you can multiply a to n times, a into a into a into so on n times. If I take the same example a to power 4, so you write as a in 4 times, a into a into a into a. If I take one more example for numeric form, 2 to power 2 to power 5 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and finally we have 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So this is our answer. So dear students, firstly we note down some important formulas here. So formulas are the first formula is, if I write here a to power m into a to power n is equal to, if base are same in multiplication case, powers or indices, we add them each other. Second formula is, if we divide a to power m divided by a to power n, we have a to power m minus n. Third one is, if powers have another power to a to power m to whole power n, then we multiplied both indexes or exponents a to power m into n. And fourth one is, if I write here a upon b whole power m is equal to a to power m upon b to power m. And next formula is, if I write here a to power 0, so this means is value of a to power 0 is equal to 1. So this is the basic formulas, dear students. Now solve some questions here. If I change the given number, question is here 4 into 4 into 4. If I change this number in exponential form, so we just apply formula a to power m into a to power n into a to power p. So if base are same, so we finally add these indices m plus n plus p. So here we have 4 to power 1, here power is 1, here 1 and here also 1. So we write here 4 to power 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we write 4 into 4 into 4 in exponents form is 4 to power 3. This is the exponent form of the given number. So we take some more questions, dear students. If I take one more question, minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5, and we write this question in exponential form. So dear students, we see here all base are same for minus form. So here we apply minus 5 to power 1 1 1 and also 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we have finally answer minus 5 to power 4. So this is our answer. Now let's we take some more questions here. Simplify, question is simplify minus 2 s to power 3 into 3 square. So this is the question, and if I simplify this, so minus 2 you write in 3 times because the power is 2 here. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, and 3 we write for 2 times. So firstly we multiplied the sign, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 3 ja 72. So this is our answer. Okay, now let's take one more question here. The question is minus 3 into minus 3 cube into minus 5 square into minus 10. So we have here 3 numbers which are in different form. So here exponents is minus 3 cube, minus 5 is 2, and minus 10 is 1. So I write here minus 3 in 3 times, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, and again apply the formula of a s to power n. Here n is 2, so we write here minus 5 for 2 times, minus 5 into minus 5, and last one is, dear students, I write here minus 10 only one time because here exponent given is 1. So minus 10. Now we apply the basic rule. Firstly we multiplied all sign each other, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, and plus into minus minus, and last one is minus into minus plus. So we have finally sign plus sign. Now we multiplied all numbers each other. 3 3 ja 9, 3 ja 27, and here one is 27, 10 5 ja 50, 55 ja 250. So we calculate this number 27. This is rough work. You write here 27 into 250, just multiply it. We apply 0 here, 25 7 ja 175, mean that 5 17 carry, 25 2 ja 50, 50 and 70 67. So here you can finally have answer 6750. This is your answer, and you know very well we not apply the plus sign if any number write in alone form, the single form. So we don't apply here minus sign, so we remove this. This is also represent the plus sign. So dear students, note down this. Now one more questions I explain here. The question is very important, dear students. This question is different base form. The question is here, question says express 625 to base 5, and second one is 25. Mean that you have a number 625, and this number you represent its base is 5 form and its base is 25 form. So the basic rule apply here. You just factorize 625 in 5 base form. So firstly we divide by 5 to 625, we have 125. Now we apply another 5, divide by 125, you have 25. So you apply another 5 here, 5 ja 25, and last one is 5 1 ja 5. So if I write the all 5s in multiplication case, so 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, so you have the solution first is 5 6 25 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. This is the 4 times 5, so we add all its exponent because here exponent is 1, so we added all exponents 5, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, so we have 5 raised to power 4. We represent this 625 to base 5. So this is our question first solution. Now its second part is says you write the 625 in the base 25 form. You just apply here 5 5 ja 25 into 5 5 ja 25. So you write down here 25 power 1, 25 power 1 mean that you add both of them, so 25 1 plus 1 mean that 25 raised to power 2. So here base is represented 25, so its part second 625 you can write as form 25 into 25 and we add its exponent 25 raised to power 1 plus 1 and finally we have 25 square. So this number 625 we represent the base 25 here, so this is our answer. So dear students, in today's class I think you understand lots of questions, so we will